Sachin is the god of cricket. Ganguly, the god on the offside. Lakshman, the god of the fourth innings. But when all the doors are closed, even the gods stood behind the wall. Rahul Dravid, the cricketer, the mentor, the coach, the masterpiece, the legend. The name Rahul Dravid is a salient feature in Indian cricket, and he has had a stunning journey behind him. From player to coach, this is Rahul Dravid. Born on 11th January 1973, Rahul Dravid started playing cricket at the age of 12 and later represented Karnataka at the under 15, under 17 and under 19 levels. He made his first class debut in the Ranji Trophy on Feb 1991 for Karnataka, scoring 82 runs, batting at number 7 in a match that ended in a draw. He then rose up the ranks to finally make his international debut on 3rd April 1996 in an ODI against Sri Lanka. Now, through his formidable career, he came to be known as The Wall, The Great Wall and Mr. Dependable. Next, 20th June 1996, he finally made his Test debut at Lord's against England, scoring 95 runs in the match. Jan 16, 1997, Dravid hit his maiden Test century against South Africa at Johannesburg. 21st May 1997, Dravid's first ODI century was made against Pakistan at Chennai. India lost the match, but the tale of Mr. Dependable had just begun. Jan 2nd, 1999, playing against New Zealand, he became the third Indian to score a century in both innings of a Test match. November 8th, 1999, a record-breaking partnership of 331 runs with Sachin Tendulkar against New Zealand, helping India post their then highest ODI score of 376. Now, cut to March 14, 2001. Dravid and VVS Lakshman scripted one of the greatest comeback victories in the history of the game. Dravid 180 and Lakshman 281 added 376 runs for the fifth wicket in India's second innings against Australia. April 5, 2004. Rahul Dravid was awarded the Padma Shri by the Government of India. December 17, 2004. He became the first cricketer to score centuries in all Test-playing countries. November 22, 2005. Dravid was appointed as the captain of the national team during the Test series against Sri Lanka. 2002 to 2006, peak years. Dravid was the second highest scorer overall and top scorer for India across formats, scoring 8,914 runs from 174 matches at an average of 54.02, including 19 centuries. Feb 14, 2007, he breached the mark of 10,000 runs in ODI cricket. September 14, 2007. After India exited the 2007 World Cup and then subsequently lost the NatWest series against England, Dravid resigned as captain. Cut to March 9, 2012. It was the culmination of a stunning journey and end of an era. Dravid announced his retirement from all international and first-class cricket, ending his career as the fourth highest run scorer in Test cricket. He received the Padma Bhushan, India's third highest civilian award in 2013. After his retirement, during the 2014 and 2015 IPL season, he served as the mentor for Rajasthan Royals. Rahul Dravid also became involved with the Indian national team, serving as mentor for the team's tour of England in 2014. In 2015, he was appointed as the head coach of the India Under-19 and India A teams. February 2016, Dravid achieved immense success as coach, with the Under-19 men's team reaching the finals of the 2016 Under-19 Cricket World Cup. He also mentored Delhi Daredevils during the 2016 and 2017 IPL season. 4th February 2018, the Under-19 men went on to win the 2018 Under-19 Cricket World Cup, beating Australia by 8 wickets to win their 4th Under-19 World Cup, the most by any national side. Dravid was credited with bringing up future national team players including Rishabh Pant, Ishan Kishan and Washington Sundar. July 2019. Following his 4-year stint as coach of the junior teams, Dravid was appointed head of cricket at the National Cricket Academy. As head of NCA, he was widely praised for developing a steady supply of talent to the senior team and revamping player fitness and rehabilitation regimens. July 2021. Finally, he was appointed head coach of the Indian national cricket team for the Sri Lanka tour. Cut to November 2021. Rahul Dravid was officially appointed as head coach for the Indian national cricket team, beginning his tenure with the home series against New Zealand. Commitment, class, and consistency are three words that define Rahul Dravid's career. Dravid's hand in cricket includes many intangible contributions. He has always gone that extra mile for the team and has been an admirable and enduring structure in the Indian sports fraternity.